In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Advanced. Then locate and open Reset Options, and mark Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. And if you truly want to remove all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, Mobile Data and Bluetooth, just tap on Reset Settings. Then draw your unlock pattern to confirm, and confirm it by tapping on Reset Settings. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset, so that would be all. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.